Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here checking out the brand new version of Test Track. That's right, Disney has officially reimagined the iconic ride and I'm so ready for it. So let's see what's the change and if it's still one of the best rides here in Epcot. Let's go. So as you can tell, there's a lot more space in here. I don't know what they did, but it looks like a lot more space than I can remember. All the cars are futuristic. Is this where the games used to be? When you build your own car, no? Or it was up top?
Hello! The seatbelt check is around the corner. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please, supervise children. Thank you.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad bien abrochado y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Alright, and then the seatbelt over your shoulder, please.
Welcome, riders. I'll be your guide on today's journey.
And I'm your automated vehicle.
You
Welcome to the
I'm at
test
the
track.
edge.
We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Hang on!
Woo! Nicely done!
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle model.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I could get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Watch out!
I told you, I got this.
Right. Our road might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go.
Our test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road.
All right, so it's an awesome new update to Test Track. Let me know if this is a ride you would do. Do you miss the old one? Do you like the new one? And comment below and let me know what you think. But overall, I thought it was a good addition. It's a little throwback to the original ride, so trust me, you would love it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you think. We out of here.
Yeah.